welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but we are at Universal Studios Hollywood with my husband and my dad. I'm gonna do two videos. The first part is gonna be the city walk, and the second part is gonna be Universal Studios. So let's hear all about it. We finally made it to the entrance of the park. Like I said earlier, we filmed footage of the Universal City Walk and the restaurants. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you can see it, or go look for it. I guess you don't have to be subscribed to watch it. But yeah, we're gonna check in. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'm pretty sure I made a reservation, but I'm always scared. So yeah, doesn't look like there's a lot of people coming in at this time. It is 4 p.m. about, so very chill it looks like.
Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
Oh.
To assist with quickly entering the park, please place all belongings in the bins on a moving belt and proceed through the metal detector.
All right, we went through security lines. It took, I don't know, less than a minute, 2 minutes, and we're in. Yay! A lot of people are leaving as we're coming in. All right, we stopped for a quick selfie, and now we are here at the entrance. It's so cute. Look, it's Shrek. Brendan has beef with Shrek from our last time we were here. There's a Minion, there's Hello Kitty. Where's the Grinch? Oh, over there, I think we're gonna need our ID, so I need to get that ready. All right, getting in was really easy. I have to explain later, but we bought it through Costco, and you have to make reservations when you buy it through Costco. So we made it for today, and then it said to just go to the turnstiles and scan, and it works, so fairly easy. Oh, they have a special menu. Featured, oh, it's like a Wicked store, and then they have like Wicked food items. They have burgers, chicken wraps, corn. Oh, it looks okay. Funnel cake.
Everybody, give it one moment. Give a moment.
How are the calzones?
Pizza.
But is it good? So? Oh.
Not the breast of my head. They had soup. Pepperoni, but it's kind of weird. You can try it.
Just letting you know.
I guess the pretzel is better.
Popcorn. My dad says the pretzel's
Pretzel
good.
with the 3 dips, so you can try it.
He said these are okay. Yeah. It looks cute.
Oh, they're really cute.
All right. It is quite busy, but we are in Hogsmeade now. The weather's lovely, actually. All right. We are getting a butterbeer, a frozen one. Dad was able to get his discount, but you can get a warm one, like a cold one, I think, or normal one, and then a frozen one, I think. I always get the frozen one, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's lovely. All right, we are out of Hogsmeade. We got a butterbeer. Pretty good. Tastes the same, a little sugary, a little sweet. But we're gonna head down to Nintendo World because Brendan and I haven't been there. And we brought the bands so we can play with it. Looks like Ollivanders is 20, Kung Fu Panda 25. Hippogriff for 15 minutes is not worth it. Hippogriff? It's less than a minute of a ride. It's like 30 seconds. What are they building?
Roller coaster.
Wow, for what?
Fast and the Furious.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You understand?
Oh, that's telling me that they're building a Fast and Furious roller coaster. I had no clue. It looks awesome. It looks scary, actually.
Let's around this.
That's cool. That's gonna be nice. Looks like it's gonna go under the escalator and then around. Fascinating. We made it downstairs. It's very packed. It's always packed down here. But it looks like that's new, the popcorn snack. So that part's new. It looks like the store is also new from when the last time I've been here. Starbucks always has a line. Panda Express is probably the best food you'll find. That's not so bad. No, but I haven't found a good snack here, so Panda is usually, we already know it. This line's long to meet Bumblebee and Ultron. What's his name? Optimus. And what's the other one? Optimus Prime. Down here you have Transformers. It's 110 minutes. But what we actually came for is Alright. I want to take a picture of this tree. It's a beautiful tree. Alright, we need to find out if our bands are gonna work. Alright, my dad's gonna get some coin. Ooh. Oh. I made an account. I am Team Daisy. And we're gonna start. 6 times since you last used this app. And we'll see how good my dad does. It's like team, so we're Team Daisy. We're doing the worst. Brendan is Team Joshi. He's not doing great either. There's a map of where you can go. And that they have scanners, so you can get points. They have options. If you want to follow players, that's cool. And then home. So we'll see how my dad does. This is where we start. Alright, I think the challenge is to hit all of them when they turn red.
Alright guys, tap one power band right there to start.
Yes.
All the red ones, guys.
I don't know how hard. Go, Dad, go!
Guys, great job. Now tap the power band one at a time. Perfect job, Dad.
Good job. Very fun. Is it worth the line? I don't know, but it was cute. All right, look at what Brendan just pointed out. Look at them. They're adorable. Oh, yay! Go, Dad. Oh, hit it again, Dad. Go, Dad! Eee! Go, go! Alright, make sure you tap again. Good job! Awesome. Okay, so we did 3 mini games, so now we should be able to go in. Woohoo! Oh, it's adorable!
Welcome, heroes! You've done well to make it this far. Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr. When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away! Mushroom. Good luck, heroes!
up the stairs. And now there is tons to do. Nice. Get them coins. Did you get your coins? Oh, fun! Get it! Get it! Oh, get it! 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 All right, Dad. Ooh, fire! Good job! Look at the big man! They're adorable! Alright, we're going into the store. The Jurassic World ride is only 20 minutes, but they don't want to do it. I don't know why. Oh, look how cute. There's other signs. Signed by Chris Pratt. All right, we are going up. We just came from the Nintendo World. We had fun. We collected stars and stamps, and we really liked the mini Bowser game. It was so fun. We hadn't done that. I thought we had done it in Japan, but we haven't. They do have the one in Japan here. We didn't wait in line for it, but they did have it. And then Brendan got himself a little shirt from Jurassic Park. It's like a Spirit jersey, but Universal's. So yeah, so now we're going up, probably get a beverage. I'm kind of thirsty. And then we'll go from there. All right, we're heading over to Harry Potter. And it looks so beautiful and decorated. And they have Christmas music happening, so it's like extra magical. But there is a show at 7, so we're gonna try to plop somewhere. It's so pretty. We got a pretzel. Sorry it's dark. We're in Hogsmeade. But we got a pretzel and it comes with 3 sauces, I think.
Yep. 3 different flavors.
Cheese, mustard.
Mustard and cheese, white cheese or something.
More cheese?
White cheese or something? I don't know, it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Weird stuff.
Oh, white cheddar, chipotle cheddar, and mustard.
Ah.
Okay, we're gonna eat it. And alright, we ate the pretzels. Pretzels were good. Brendan liked the dipping sauces. It came with 3 dipping sauces, which is nice. Definitely sharing for me. Like, I was glad I shared. And now we have a calzone. There's this one and there's another one with spinach, but we got the normal one. Alright, the calzone was pretty good. It wasn't something that I'm like, damn, this is so good. But if you like the little Tostino pizza rolls, that's pretty good. I think this is gonna be our spot. We got some candy at Honeydukes. And now we're heading over to the Grinch area. Just to check it out, I think. We might stay for the show. I have recorded the show in the past. So we'll see. And sorry if I sound weird. I have a whizzy busy in my mouth. So that's not what it's called, but I have a hard candy in my mouth, so I apologize. All right. We are out of Universal Studios. We just shopped a little bit. I got some footage of shopping. And now we are heading back to the car. Like I said, we are annual pass holders again, so please expect more, or hopefully, please, I don't know how to word this. There should be more videos coming out for Universal Studios next year, or this year. This year. Can you tell I'm tired? So yeah, I'm hoping to cover more Universal Studios Hollywood. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cover next time I come, rides or anything. It wasn't my usual vlog. We came just, I guess, a chill day, so very unusual vlog. But I hope you enjoyed the slowness of it. Let me know if there's anything you want me to emphasize next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, adios.